Our next door neighbours have drifted anchor. The mooring, that's the mooring. They were on anchor. They were way in front of that anchor, or of that mooring I should say, and now they're not. And it's been a pretty crap day with wind. So now I've got my husband is over there on the jet ski. I've got another bloke that lives out here on a yacht, Tony, and we're trying to salvage the yacht and pull it forwards so it doesn't run aground. As you can see, it's a pretty serious situation. Yeah, they're getting the number. The people have their phone number on the back of the yacht, and as you can see, Tony's on board. They're trying to fix the situation. Try to maybe re-anchor, I don't know, but it's not good anyway. They're going to let the owners know because they're not on board, they're workers. So yeah, this is my lovely afternoon because I went through this shit with a barge, so I know what it's like when you drift anchor. Not very pleasant at all. These people are lucky that we spotted the situation, or another guy spotted it and rang my husband. Thank God he did. I wish someone had done that for me when I was about to hit a barge from drifting anchor. So now we're salvaging someone else's boat, as you do as a neighbour, and it's an emergency situation pretty much. Sorry about the footage. It's going to be raw footage, but it's pretty hard to see. I don't want to move too much because it's really windy. So they're trying to re-anchor, get the anchor to be more secure. So both of them are up there. In an emergency, this is what you have to do. So yeah, because they've slipped anchor. It's been a wicked day, like with the wind, really bad, like really bad. So the boys, my husband and another yachty, they're on board of this yacht to make sure it's secure, and this is what you have to do. Hang on, I have to move again.